Alright, I'm pretty excited here, very excited. My order just arrived. Holy healing oil. Trinity oil. Came pretty quick too. Only about 3 or 4 days to arrive. There it is. The unwrapping. And then we'll see if it really helps everything that they say it's gonna help. This is the cream, the bottles. I think I'm gonna give these bottles away as samples to people with like with a flyer and be quiet. Flyer and a postcard. Roxy's excited too about it. So let me see. Okay, first sample. Let's see it. See what it says. Got all the ingredients. Perfectly mixed ingredients. It's supposed to be really difficult to mix it. You have to mix it certain portions, particular portions, the exact amounts. It's probably made in the laboratory. Look, there it is again. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. Like every other product that you see. Be quiet. Okay, so I'm back on YouTube here, making a video. I was cut off. Had to put a muzzle on my dog. We're talking about the Trinity oil. Right, here it is. Left off. It closed out, so I had to restart a new video. You can't, once you close the YouTube app, you can't open it. No, the videos. I'm sorry, not YouTube. I have a Samsung phone on the videos. I closed out the video and I couldn't continue, so I have to restart a new video. So okay, there we go. Where was I? Oh yeah, these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA like every other product you see. You know, I haven't seen any product before in my life that's been approved by the FDA. So I guess we could just ignore that, right? So we got the Trinity oil here. And then we can see if all the claims they make and start using it. I have about, I don't know, a bunch of bottles here. Enough to last probably the rest of the year. And take it and see if it, let's see what the claims are. Those who have used this oil include they reported what did they report? Let's see. They reported miracle healing, including relief from arthritis, autoimmune disease, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, prostate issues, Alzheimer's, heart disease, and 51 other deadly conditions. 51 other deadly conditions. See the proof in the video. So yeah, you can go to my my social media pages. I have the links to all the, you know, the link for the, you can check it out, see the video. You can see the video. You see proof here that it's not a scam. You can go and order yours today, like me. It's a lot cheaper than the marijuana you order. I have the Louisiana marijuana card because I have I have the Louisiana marijuana card because I have I was diagnosed with scoliosis. So I bought like, I don't know, $5,000 worth of marijuana. You get 72 ounces every 2 weeks. So no, 72 grams every 2 weeks for a year. So I kept going back every 2 weeks and buying the max that I can get, 72 ounces. I spent like, I don't know, $5,000 or $10,000 on marijuana. I smoked it all because I suffer from chronic pain. So so now I should have got this. You know, I should have got this instead because it's cheaper. If I would have known about this, then I would have bought this before instead of the marijuana. But anyway, so yeah, this is let's try it. Let's try it. This is what they do. This is what they say to do. Suggested use application. You're gonna witness me use it, and this is what you have to do. Okay. Application of 1/2 to 1 full dropper of Trinity oil can be used up to 3 times daily. The instructions are on the website. You can see, you can go look at it and see what the recommended uses, how they say to use it, you know, during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Right now, it's Ramadan, so I'm practicing Lent and Ramadan as a way of, for, you know, world peace. As a sign of world peace, I'm, you know, combining, like this is combined, perfect ingredients. I'm combining the two, Lent and Ramadan, as world peace. So I'm practicing, I'm eating baked fish on Friday when the sun sets. So you don't eat anything or drink anything, you know, from sunrise to sun. I don't know what happened. My video was just all of a sudden stopped. Maybe, I don't know, I was touching on some sensitive subjects or something, and then somebody stopped my video. So I'm starting a new one. Trinity oil. Right here, you see that? This is the stuff right here. So you're gonna witness me use it right now. All right. So you take it out the thing, and you, oh, a drop just got out. I just wasted 2 drops. Look at that. Damn it. So I guess, okay. Now you can learn from my mistake. You put this little ticker upside down when you take it out, right? So so you don't waste anything. Look, already I wasted 2 drops. But damn it. Okay. And then you put a drop. I think you put 1 drop, right? It's just 1 drop. You just need to put 1 drop on your tongue. 1 full drop. Serving size. 1 full drop. Water. I probably should bring those to a lab and get it tested out, right, to see what's inside of it. It's supposed to be a Christian site, so I mean, I guess I trust it, but I don't know. But I guess it's too late now. I'm still alive, right? So I just took a drop. I'll probably live. Well, if I live till tomorrow, I'll make another video on it. and then I'll take it to a lab and make another video on results, if it's safe or not for everybody. All right, continuing the Trinity oil video, my new shipment. Trying to go, I see one full dropper. It says do not exceed the recommended dose. Does that mean it's one drop or one full dropper? Like full of, the whole drop is full of it, or just one drop? So that's what I'm trying to figure out here. But the reason for restarting this another video is because another claim that they make on the website is that you can live longer, 15 to 30 years longer. So I don't know how true that is. That would be nice though. It's a very interesting video. It talks about how back in Noah's time, how the age, how it's decreased since then, and it got all into the you know, the way it was before to the way it is now. It's a very interesting video. So yeah, go check it out. Check out the video on the website, and you might want to get some for yourself, like me, and start turning into a superhuman, or get you know, get healed, feel better. Old people on the video, they rub it on their knees and they can like play tennis and stuff, and run around and do stuff in the garden like that they couldn't do before. They were stuck on a sofa or stuck on their bed, but now they can like do, like, you know, a bunch of different physical activities that they couldn't do before. All right, cool. Closing out the new Trinity oil product review. Here it is. And I have it on. I pulled up I have the HDMI cord hooked up to the TV from the laptop to the TV, so I can work on and see the big screen. It works better. But I have it pulled up and it says right there, you can see 3 or 4 drops at a time. So it's recommended that, see, I didn't know. I thought I just used 1 drop. So it's recommended, you know, we use 3 to 4 drops. Oh, wait. Okay. It's recommended that we use 3 to 4 drops at a time. 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. So, okay, I used 1 drop already in the for the last video. All right, so here we go. Oh, I'm cooking right now with my. I got a steak, and I got a steak going in my air fryer. Oh, you gotta see this. Look at this. See, steak going, mushrooms, onions, and Brussels sprouts. So so I put the steak on there with the onions and the Brussels sprouts, some olive oil, butter, and my secret spices here. See, my bag of secret spices. It's garlic powder, black pepper, Parmesan onion powder. See that? That's all you need. So that's all we need to put on anything. So you put a little bit, you know, you put a generous amount on your food, and it makes everything taste perfect. So I got it down to a science here with my food. I put it on everything. That's my secret. Put it on all my food I have. You know, the stuff that's you're supposed to put it on. Don't, you know, use your common sense. Don't just put it on, you know, put it on stuff you're not supposed to. You know, be smart about it. So, okay. Alright. So we got the Trinity oil. I already used 1 drop. So, I used 1 drop. Oh, I didn't know. 4. Alright. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 drops. So my products, my order just came in. I have 12 bottles. It's gonna last me a while. Done. I feel better already. And I use 1 drop after using 1 drop. So yeah. Okay. It's perfect. Tastes perfect. Tastes good. It's minty. It has cinnamon in it. It has cinnamon. It's like a cinnamon, some kind of cinnamon minty flavor. But it's really, it tastes good. It feels good. And 3 or 4 drops at a time, 3 times a day, to get all the benefits, all the health benefits. Perfect. It's perfect. It's a miracle. It's a modern day miracle.